Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you people are doing great. So let's look at another Stream API interview question. Sort a list of strings in alphabetical order. So we have a list of string given, basically all the shops that I visited recently when I went to the mall, and we just need to arrange the names or the string in its alphabetical order. Again, a very simple question and also one of the most asked interview questions. So let's go. So we are going to expect a list of string back and sorted str. So we'll take the list dot stream dot sorted dot collect collectors dot to list. Okay. So here we have our answer, I mean the solution, and a very simple problem this was. We just need to sort it and we just need to collect it back as a list. So, hoping you understood this as this was really easy. So, keep practicing and thank you so much for watching this. Let's catch up in the next video.